What up, guys? Wonderdad here. Hey, Modern Warfare 3 with my brother here, Dragonrider. We're laughing because we took so many takes. I did my intro. I did my intro before I recorded. Yes, it was. We play Modern Warfare 3. Hard mode.
Just call it MW3.
MW3 hard mode. Don't say my name, and I don't say your name, because that's why we can't take so many takes.
So many names being said.
Yes. It's just I'm the ones that'll come up.
I'll probably end up saying your name if I hear the little ones running up the steps.
Yes, you will. Yes, you will. So yeah.
Please don't tell me they're coming up right now.
Please tell me they're not. Please.
Okay, we're good.
Yeah, I'm bottom, here's top. I need to flip this in a minute. Start the game!
Yeah, we're doing this one. I forget the name of the map.
We are playing this till we play the hard modes till we pass wave 5.
10.
But last time we played on hard mode, we did on wave 8, and that was a bitch to do.
That was insane, Gabe, not hard.
Oh really?
That was insane.
Damn. Yeah.
You got the wave 8 on these.
Oh yeah, that's because we have revolvers this time, not
semi-autos. Ah.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Where are they coming? Oh.
Me picking up a gun interrupted me by a sniping guy. Probably shouldn't use my bullets now. Not a smart idea.
Stop trying to take my bullets, Gabe.
Don't you mean kills?
No, I mean bullets.
Don't you mean kills? No. You said my name.
Whenever you freaking... Fuck it, whatever.
Yeah. You always see my face, so who cares? You're taking too many takes.
If a stranger sees this, oh well, fuck them.
Yeah. Sorry, you got defense at the house.
Not really, Gabe. Don't really do that.
Oh, I know.
Don't do that, Wonder. I need to start reading the name tag on the screen.
Yes, just you, dragonrider.
That's the main problem.
Pardon you.
Oh wait, we could just press B to start the match.
Yeah, we do. We need to we forgot to fill up our ammo.
No, I'm conserving it. I'm conserving money by not doing that.
We're a little base. We already got one because how many takes we took.
We're starting on hard because
this is hard.
Because we already finished.
We already finished the rest of normal and easy. We tried to make a video on normal, but yet we failed because we couldn't say each other's names.
Oh, and if anyone has any
questions,
if anyone just wants to yell at us for being so bad at this game, go ahead, do it.
Yes, just go ahead. Yes, we don't care at all. Go ahead, haters. Hate away. And how now in the comments they'll probably don't be like, hey, you let us hate on you, so I don't hate on you. It just doesn't hate comment.
Just no freaking.
We don't care anymore.
Leave certain stuff out of it.
Yes, yes. Like, don't call us a.
Leave the N-word out of it.
Leave the N-word out of it. That we do not like, because my brother here, John Water, is part black. And here we got 2 lanterns, 4 fans, 1 light bulb, 6 bananas, 5 drinks.
Well, I just dropped one.
A lunchbox, a calculator, 3 beds, 1 shirt, 1 chair, 1 trash can, 1 TV, and 1 door. Okay, then 4 minutes. Sorry guys, just checking the time. So yeah.
Right in the butt.
I'm taking care. Yo, I see 2 chairs. One's blue, one's red. Red versus blue. Not sponsored. Still, Red vs. Blue is actually really good series. 50 seasons. Not sponsored.
Not 50 seasons.
I said 15. Not sponsored. I'm almost there to my shotgun. Almost there. Yeah, my favorite gun is the shotgun. What's
I already
yours?
have my sniper. Oh, wait, I already had that out.
What's
I
yours?
already have my sniper rifle.
What's yours?
What the? When did this get here?
Oh, explosion. It was right over here and then right over here. Explosion.
Oh.
We got 2 curtains. When did this poster painting right here? Yeah, we also got this poster. I can't know what it said. Oh yeah, we also got a clock. Got this. The strings. I always wondered why the strings on fans.
Yeah,
Reloading.
Checking my flankage. There's a dog coming up, Gabe. Wonder. Fuck. No game.
Oh, wow.
Me.
As long as I don't say your name, we are fine.
Yeah, there's no face reveal from me, so no one
Yes.
really knows who I am.
Then also dragonrider here doesn't like being recorded. That and also
Yeah,
I will ask blah blah blah. I almost got hit by an explosion. I jumped right towards the explosion like a dumbass.
There's a grenade behind me. There's 2 more grenades.
That's self-revive, you're fine. Allah Akbar! Now I can get my shotgun.
Oh wait, now I can get a better rifle. Well,
Yay!
not sniper rifle, but now I can get an assault rifle. So I have.
What is your favorite gun, dragonrider?
Pretty much my primary weapon, an assault rifle.
Oh really? I thought
not assault.
I thought it was a sniper rifle.
Yeah, sniper.
Yeah, sniper rifle. Mine is shotgun.
I was reading.
We got a hot dog stand.
Fuck the hot dogs.
And pretzel. The 3 hot dogs and 1 pretzel.
Fuck the hot dog.
What about the pretzel?
Oh shit, there's a juggernaut.
What round is this?
5.
No, not the drinks and the casuator. No!
Start here. Everybody eat dinner?
Yes.
Huh?
Everybody eat?
Yeah.
Everybody okay?
Oh no, they're not hungry.
Yeah.
So no, they haven't ate.
No.
No,
Because
because
they don't eat anything else.
Got it.
Jesus Christ. It's fucking stuffy as hell here. Turn the fucking air on. No, you might fucking stand it. But Jesus, he's just playing before your four-eyed white boy. You're gonna fucking burn up. It's fucking.
It's pretty good in here.
it is.
Gabe's. He's trying to make a. Gabe. Yeah, he's trying to make a video for his YouTube channel, but we keep messing it up.
This is our 11th take. I'm about to die. Please don't pause.
Have fun.
I need to show them the dancing chickens.
Yes, ow, shit, Gabe, Juggernaut, helicopter.
Dancing chickens. They're dancing for the money, for the chicken stripper money. For the chicken stripper money.
Why? Me, you stinking mutt.
Look at the dancing chickens.
Gabe, careful, helicopter.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Thunder, fuck, whatever.
Remember, 1 around. That's what we did last time. I'm bleeding out. Bleeding. Bleeding. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. This is a good time to stop anyways.
Nope. We play again.
9 minutes. It's gonna take us another 9 minutes to do this, so. So yeah.
One more retake.
No.
I'm getting the hang of it.
I know, but.
I'm getting the hang of it. I said your name like
So yeah.
5 times in that thing.
Guys, at least Dad didn't say your name.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that was our dad talking. We know the title for this episode, Dancing Stripper Chickens.
How about playing MW3 with brother?
Dancing Chicken slash
Playing
Dancing Chicken slash MW3 with brother.
How about MW3 with okay, you should have ended the video.